Hi, my name is Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick flip through of this journal I have here. As always, this will be listed on eBay and Etsy, so check the link below if you're interested. This journal is a plant, nature, botanical theme. Most of the digital work here is from My Porch Prints, so you'll see a lot of that throughout the book. This book is 8.5 by 5.5. There are 60 pages front and back, plus 15 pages in the file folder that I have included inside. So it's a very nice size. This is the front. I'm going to go through this in a minute, but here's the back. Pretty blank. And then here's the spine. This twine here is holding the file folder inside, so you can remove it for easy access. I left a lot of the thread hanging, so if you wanted, you could put beads and stuff. So this is from the top. Like I said, a lot of the pages are digitals from My Porch Prints. It's mostly centered around botanical, nature, plants, flowers, that kind of deal. Very green. On the front here, there is a little pocket here with some little pieces, plants, and so we just have this little piece. This one with the pretty flower on it. Specimen. This is from a Tim Holtz ephemera kit, as is this one that I added that to. So just a random little collection of things on the front. The closure is a ribbon here that is attached into the front and backs of the book. Like I said, there are 60 pages front and back, plus 15 in this file folder here. So I'm going to start at the front. There's a nice pocket here on the front with lots of little ephemera pieces. This is one with the roses. Nice fern. Some line pages here. You can write on the back and stuff. Little nature thing. And two little tags. This is the front page. This is a digital. There's lots of coffee dab pages as well. So this is a coffee dab page right here, and a little pocket right here. Just some little ephemera pieces, very centered around nature, green, plants, leaves, that sort of thing. So I just have a clip here, and I have this clipped in here, so you can move it wherever you want. The back is blank. As well as another one here. Some coffee dab pages. Some pretty digital pages here. More digital. I added these down here. Little plant stickers. Some line pages. Very good for journaling. Very beautiful. Some more coffee dab pages. A small pocket here with a pocket thing. This is a recipe card. This is a tiny little envelope here that you could put stuff in. Coffee dyed leaves from that digital. And here in the center, I have a file folder that is totally removable. So this is the front and this is the back. It is closed with just some simple jute twine ran under the pages. And then once inside, here's the twine that is attached to the actual book, so you could untie this here and remove it, so you could take it with you, easy to travel with, easy to remove and write in. So you can leave it here, or you can take it out and do what you want. This is an alter file folder here. It just reaches all the way out, and it is probably like 17 inches when it all expands. So there's a booklet right here with 15 pages, and then lots of little pockets. So we'll go through this first pocket here. This is a vintage recipe card. Flips out. This is one of the digital tags I printed. Just some little plants and another little tag. And on this back pocket here, it's filled with things also. Another recipe card. A small little tag, as well as another little coin envelope. Some more little journaling cards, and some more of that line journaling card. So then it opens up here, in this way. There is a pocket here you can keep stuff in, and there's also a pocket here. Just have a simple little card in there. So then we have a pocket here. Some pretty flowers. A little postcard. A leaf card. And some little tags. This is a double pocket, so these go here. This is the booklet. It is 15 pages front and back. It is all blank coffee dyed cardstock. So this is the front cover. And so then the inside, it's all just cardstock that has been coffee dyed. There it is sewed in here. And then, like I said, I left the strings. And that's that. And then we have another pocket here. Has the double pocket here as well with some little leaf tags. Pretty flowers. These are digitals from my porch prints. It's the Botanical nature theme one. And some tags. And like I said, this pocket here. So, like I said, this is totally removable. It's just held in right now with some jute twine. And this is the closure to just simply tie it up. Like so. And so it's just stuck in between here. And to take it out, you can just simply untie it. So here's the rest of the pages. This is a digital kit from my porch prints. Very pretty. With some line paper you can journal on. We have an envelope here. With a little card inside. Just held in right here with a simple paper clip. Then on this side, I just have all this held in with a paper clip. Just coffee dyed pages. So I have this large page here that you could write all over the back of. Another one of those calendar cards. Some random words like rosemary, turmeric, so you could cut these out and make stuff with, and a little tag. Very pretty pages. Then we have another envelope here. This one is just held in with paper clips as well. And that. And then the digital page. Then I have a pocket here on this coffee dab page with just another one of those tags. And some lined pages. More journaling space. As well as a mini file folder here. Just has like some plants on it and flowers. It's just clipped in here. Another pocket on the coffee die, some more line pages. So just a small line page tag, and these two little tags. Great for journaling on. Coffee die, some more of the digital coffee die pages. Pretty digitals here. Another one of those mini file folders with the plants and the leaves. Then another little card clipped in here. Another little journaling card. I just have it paper clipped in. These two tags. Another card. Some more coffee die pages and line pages. And this is the back page. There's a pocket back here. Just some little ticket things. Another little journaling card. A postcard with some leaves. I'll probably send some stamps with this book, so you can add your own stamps to the few printout postcards that are in here, so you can choose the ones you want. So I just include a random assortment of little stamps, used stamps, these two cards, and that is the end. And again, everything will be listed in the description box, so if you're interested. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the spine on this one is 2 inches. So thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.